Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Guess what? This Saturday my dad woke up at 4 a.m. to go to the beach by sunrise because he says the big birds like the great blue heron hunt at sunrise. But I don't think that was going to happen this morning. My dad says we should always use a very long lens to stay far away from the birds so we don't stress them. He waited around for an hour recording this bird but didn't find any breakfast. That was so sad. My dad almost left the beach when these two flew in. Oh, they're so cute. I'm sure they were telling my dad not to give up because he was about to see something cool. Ew, no, not that. But after many mosquito bites and a bee sting, and with the sun rising in the background, he was finally able to see a takeoff, and it was in slow motion. That was awesome! Hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye!